Things to masturbate with. Masturbation, for many people, is a thing that they do not feel like talking often. However, it is not a bad thing. Many people have different beliefs about masturbation, as well as difficulty knowing how to do it. If you do know how, it can become monotonous, leaving you unsatisfied. It is also important to note that there are many things that you can masturbate with, and they do not have to penetrate. Things to masturbate with for women. First thing first, although it is commonly done and usually safe, there are a few precautions that you want to use. Be sure that the objects you use are not sharp or pointed to keep from hurting yourself. Avoid using anything with small parts, which may fall off and get stuck inside you. Do not use fruits or vegetables. They can break off inside your vagina or leave you with multiple infections due to the bacteria on them. Bathroom faucet. A bathroom faucet is one of the things you can use to masturbate with, however, it is not referring to the sink or tub faucets, rather it means the jet spray or removable shower head. They are great for stimulating your clitoris. You can sit or stand as you do this, plus you have the ability to control the force of the water so that you get just the right pressure for an orgasm. When using the shower head or jet spray, remember to aim the water at the top of your clitoris, not the opening. Getting water in the opening may cause an infection. You also want to be sure to wash the sprayer before you use and pee when you are done. These precautions will help you avoid bacterial infections. Pillow. A pillow is actually a great tool for masturbation. It is soft and flexible, making it easy to hit the right spot. You can rub it between your legs or directly against your clitoris for the perfect orgasm. Make sure you stop when you begin to notice irritation to avoid any damage. It is also highly recommended that you dedicate a pillow specifically for this purpose to help prevent any infections. Electric toothbrush. Among the list of great things to masturbate with is the electric toothbrush. This is another item which allows for extra vibration sensation. It is best to remove the bristle end, if possible, and cover with a condom. The condom will help the ease of use. You can then rub on your clitoris or insert into your vagina for an orgasmic stimulation. It is important that you do not use the bristled end of the toothbrush as you can hurt yourself. You also want to make sure that toothbrush is dedicated solely to masturbating. Use a different one to brush your teeth. Hands. Your hands do not have any cost to them and are not as intimidating as other items. You are also in complete control of your hands. Using 1 or 2 fingers will be your best bet if you are just starting out. Move your fingers around and find which orifices you are comfortable having penetrated, or you can stay on the exterior locations. Using your hands is a great way to find the best spots for creating orgasms and makes it easier when you are trying to help your partner find that perfect spot. Do not be afraid to experiment with different amounts of pressure, directions, and locations. Washing machine. The washing machine vibrates on the spin cycle, making it one of the most interesting things to masturbate with. Simply sit on the machine and allow the vibration to help you masturbate. You can also spread your legs and rub against it while it is vibrating to achieve an orgasm. It does require practice to ensure you are not injured. Make sure you sit so that you will not fall off while it is vibrating. You also want to make sure you sanitize it prior to and after masturbating. Things to masturbate with for men. The banana. A banana is one of the most common things to masturbate with among boys. You can either peel the banana or cut off one end and squeeze the fruit out. Either way, eat the banana so that you do not leave any traces. Clean out the skin and fill with your favorite lubrication. Then, you can either wrap the skin around your penis or insert your penis into the end that you cut off. Proceed to masturbate. The skin will give you a different sensation than your hand, and you will have a receptacle for your cum. A melon. Melons are actually the most popular of homemade masturbation toys for men. Once you have your melon, put a hole in one side that fits the circumference of your penis. Do not over-exaggerate as it will not work properly. Next, hollow out some of the melon so that your penis fits inside the melon. Then, on the opposite side, cut a pencil-sized hole to adjust the amount of suction. As you pump the melon, place a finger over the hole while you are masturbating to increase the suction. A cup. Find a cup that is large and long enough to fit your erectile. Then, get 2 sponges wet with warm water and place inside the cup. You want each sponge to fill about half the cup. When you are ready to begin masturbating, squirt lubricant into the cup, then place your penis between the 2 sponges. Now you have a homemade vagina to help you masturbate. Be sure that you use enough lube though so that you do not rub it raw. Toilet paper tube. Use that toilet paper roll that only has 1 sheet left in a new and creative way. Most of the time a toilet paper roll is just the right size to accommodate most men and among the top 5 things to masturbate with for men. You can also use a paper towel roll or wrapping paper rolls if you need a different size. Place a condom inside the tube, flipping the open end over the edge of the tube. Secure the excess condom to the tube by using tape or a rubber band. Fill the condom with lubricant and begin to masturbate. You can hold it with your hand or place it between your couch cushions. The couch. You need a Ziploc bag, scissors, and lubricant for this. Then, follow the steps below to create a masturbation technique that simulates real sex. Use your scissors to cut the seal strip off your baggie. Squirt a generous amount of lubricant inside the bag to completely coat the bag. Place the bag under a couch cushion. Put your penis inside the bag and go for it. You can push your hands down on the couch cushion for extra pressure to increase the stimulation.